Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa ABO Avoy Mix video. Ngayon po may video tayo mula kay Max Defense or Max Def PH. No? Ito ay tungkol dito sa parang tinatawag natin na proudly Filipino weapon, no? Na BrahMos. Panoorin po natin itong second batch na delivery ito at bigyan po natin ng reaction ang video gawa ni Max Def PH.
In a significant move to bolster its maritime defense posture amid rising regional tensions, the Philippines has received its second shipment of BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. Delivered via sea on April 20th, 2025, this new batch reinforces the country's growing arsenal of shore-based anti-ship missile systems. The delivery marks another critical milestone in the modernization of the Philippine Marine Corps PMC, particularly the Coastal Defense Regiment, CDR, which now assumes a more central role in the country's strategy to deter maritime threats and assert its territorial integrity. The Indian Defense Research Wing, IDRW, confirmed the arrival of the second batch, highlighting continued progress in the $374 million deal signed in January 2022 between India's BrahMos Aerospace and the Philippine Department of National Defense.
So, itong BrahMos po ay tinatawag na hypersonic missile, no? At ang lipad po nito ay sadyang mababa at dahil doon napakahirap pong ma-detect ito ng radar. Yan po ang maganda dito sa BrahMos na ito. At ito alam ko, isa sa game changer na kinakatakutan din ito ng mga Chinese, no, ng PLA, no. So ito, nag-order na tayo nito at dumating na to noon. Ito second batch. Hindi lang natin alam kung ilan yung pinalalabas sa media at ilan yung talagang in-order out of media o yung media blackout. Sige, tuloy natin ang video.
The deal includes not just the missile systems, but also training, logistics support, and infrastructure assistance necessary for the successful operation and integration of the system into the Philippine defense framework. Unlike the Indian Army and Navy variants, which often feature 3 missiles per launcher, the PMC's BrahMos Mobile Autonomous Launcher, MAL, is configured with 2 firing tubes per truck. This configuration reflects a carefully calibrated adaptation to the Philippines' unique operational and logistical requirements, especially concerning its infrastructure and terrain. The missile launchers are mounted on the Tatra 815 12x12 special wheeled platform, a robust military-grade truck designed for high mobility in varied terrain. While the launcher is capable of accommodating 3 BrahMos missiles, the Philippine Marine Corps opted to limit each launcher to 2. According to sources within the PMC, this decision was driven primarily by weight and mobility considerations. The roads and bridges in many parts of the Philippines are not designed to accommodate the combined weight of a fully loaded 12x12 MAL with 3 BrahMos missiles and all the associated launch systems, a PMC official stated. We found that limiting the load to 2 missiles per launcher ensures better agility, mobility, and reduces the risk of structural damage when operating in the field.
So, yun po ang in-order natin, 2 launcher per vehicle or truck. Yun yung gusto ng Pilipinas para sa mobility, no? At saka kasi sa kanila 3, sa atin 2. No? So, yun po. So, tuloy natin.
This limitation, however, does not fundamentally compromise the effectiveness of the system. Rather, it reflects a thoughtful adjustment that maintains strategic capability while optimizing for the operational realities in the archipelagic nation. Just days before the missile shipment's arrival, the Philippine Marine Corps officially activated its first shore-based anti-ship missile battery under the Coastal Defense Regiment. The deployment of the battery was observed by Max Defense Philippines, a prominent defense monitoring organization, which reported sightings of the next-generation maritime mobile coastal battery system in active configuration.
So, activated na yung nauna, no? At yun ay top secret kung saan nakalagay yun. Siyempre, hindi natin yun ipapaalam. Ayun ang maganda, activated na. So ito, alam ko may mga itong bagong dumating na to ay may maglalagyan na talaga to. At siyempre, top secret din po yan. Ako'y natutuwa at meron tayong mga ganitong uri ng panlaban. Ano? At lalo ngayon, nahaharap tayo sa isang napipintong digmaan na ayaw natin mangyari lahat. Mas maganda pa rin na meron tayong mga pamprotekta para sa bansa natin. No? Dapat matuto na tayo sa nakaraan.
While specific details regarding the number of launchers in each battery remain classified, observers note that the PMC's BrahMos batteries have fewer mouths and ready-to-fire missiles compared to India's more expansive batteries. However, the PMC is expected to compensate for this by increasing the number of reload and support vehicles. These support trucks are essential in replenishing launchers and sustaining operational readiness during extended deployments. Defense analysts acknowledge that the primary hurdle in scaling up the current system lies in budgetary constraints, rather than technical limitations. The integration of additional mouths into existing batteries is considered technically straightforward, as the foundational command, control, and communication systems are already in place. However, the acquisition of more launchers and missiles requires additional funding, which must be approved by the Philippine Congress under the Rehorizon 3 phase of the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program. Given the strategic importance of the BrahMos system as a frontline deterrent in the West Philippine Sea, the Department of National Defense is reportedly lobbying for further financial support to expand the missile program. The possibility of acquiring additional launchers, rather than forming entirely new batteries, has been floated as a cost-efficient solution that still significantly boosts capability without requiring major structural reorganizations. The BrahMos missile is widely regarded as one of the fastest and most lethal supersonic cruise missiles in the world.
So, narinig nyo naman, no? Ang BrahMos ay isa sa pinaka-matulin, no? Pinaka-fastest missile, no? Na tinatawag na ships destroyer sa buong mundo. At meron po ang Pilipinas niyan. No? Ibig sabihin, tested ito at mukhang mas matulin pa to sa gawa ng mga Amerikano. At meron tayo niyan, no? At ito nga sinasabi ko, game changer to. At mag-aalangan ang game changer to at siguradong mag-aalangan ang China sa atin.
Jointly developed by India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenia, the missile travels at speeds of Mach 2.8 to 3.0 and can strike targets over 290 kilometers away with
ang bilis, no? 2.8 to 3 Mach. So matulin talaga.
Pinpoint accuracy. The deployment of this system in the Philippines presents a clear message of deterrence aimed at potential aggressors encroaching on Philippine maritime territory. Furthermore, the BrahMos system's shore-based deployment offers enhanced flexibility. Unlike ship-based systems, land-based coastal batteries are harder to detect and can be strategically relocated to different islands and coastlines. This mobility, combined with the missile's speed and destructive power, adds a crucial layer of defense capability to the Philippine military's order of battle. The delivery and deployment of BrahMos missiles in the Philippines also carries significant regional implications. The Philippines is the first foreign country to receive the BrahMos system.
So tayo pala, first country to receive, no? Kasi ito binibenta to ng India at binidevelop pala ito ng Russia at saka India joint. At tayo, yung kauna-unahang bumili nito, no? Na dinevelop sa India. So, sa makatuwid, dalawang bansa pa lang meron nito, India at saka tayo. Maaaring meron na sa iba kasi marami nang nagpo-purchase nito. Pero nauna po ang Pilipinas.
Underscoring the deepening defense relationship between New Delhi and Manila. This cooperation reflects India's Act East policy and growing defense diplomacy in Southeast Asia, which serves as a counterweight to China's increasing assertiveness in the South China Sea. China has previously expressed concern over the Philippines' acquisition of the BrahMos missile system, viewing it as a potential threat to its naval operations in disputed waters.
Yun nga sinasabi ko, di ba? Concern sila, no, na yung negative concern nila yon sa atin kasi delikado sila dito no? Mag-iisip talaga sila.
While the Philippine government maintains that the deployment is purely defensive, it is undeniable that the system significantly enhances Manila's capability to hold hostile vessels at risk across a wide swath of maritime territory. Looking ahead, the successful integration of the BrahMos missile system into the Philippine Marine Corps could pave the way for further acquisitions and deeper defense ties with India. There is also the possibility of technology transfer and local assembly of components.
So, yung sinasabi ko, successful yung integration. Kung successful yung integration, bibili at bibili pa tayo nito ng marami pa. No? Dito makikita, milyon o bilyon ang halaga niyan na kaya ng Pilipinas. At lumalabas na yung mga nakatagong pera dyan. No?
Depending on future negotiations and funding availability, some defense watchers speculate that the Philippines might explore acquiring the air-launched or ship-launched variants of BrahMos to further diversify its strike capabilities. Others suggest that a broader regional coalition might emerge as more Southeast Asian countries look to India for defense solutions that provide credible deterrence without the complications of Western arms procurement protocols.
So, yun po, no? Kaya China, mag-isip-isip kayo, no? Bukod sa Typhoon missile, Nemesis, may BrahMos na fastest in the world. No? Ako'y saludo sa pamahalaan ngayon at meron tayo nito, no? At nakuha natin na palakasin ang ating puwersa sa pamamagitan nito. Sana lang naman na hindi maiwan dito yung mahihirap nating kababayan, no? Bukod sa paggastos dito, sana gumastos yung pamahalaan para iahon yung mga kababayan natin na mahihirap. Pero okay po sa akin to. Kayo po, kung may komento po kayo, ilagay nyo lang po dyan sa ating comment box at sama-sama natin bigyan ng reaction. Ito po ang Awi Mix Videos. Maraming salamat po.